go so fast, all tied.
Welcome back, guys. Today we have a anticipated tutorial using the Urban Decay BACKTALK palette. This is a face and eye palette, and we're going to start with the highlighter shade in Party Foul. Now, as you can tell, I already put my foundation on and cream and contour and highlight, so we're just going in with this. And I'm using the SL Miss Glam B36 tapered highlighting brush to apply this all over my face. This highlight is so freaking pretty. Now with the blush, the shade is Double Take. This is not quite matte. It has a little bit of shimmer and sheen to it, but mostly matte and very pigmented, as you can see. I'm using a Luxie brush. This is the 504 large angled brush to apply it, and then I'm blending out with my Royal & Langnickel blush brush just to soften it a little bit. Now going in with the eyes. I've already applied concealer, and I'm just taking this large fluffy brush and I'm taking the lightest shade, which is 3 Sheets. It's kind of a pinkish toned bone shade, and just so that everything transitions nicely. Next, going in to BACKTALK. This shade is so pretty. I'm taking a Luxie brush. This is the 205 tapered blending. This is my Holy Grail transition shade brush. I love this brush. And as you can see, I am really showing you in real time how much blending I actually do in that crease, because this is key to having that soft blown out look. Now going in with the color shade. This is kind of a shimmer shade, and I'm one of those people that is anti any sort of sheen or shimmer in the crease, but I've seen others do it quite a bit and it doesn't look bad. So I decided I'm gonna try it out for myself, and I'm using a Luxie 239 Precision Shader brush to apply this. So it's a little fluffy, but it's on the flat side, so it's perfect for blending and packing on color lightly. I really like this brush. I forgot where I got it from, but I love it. And this color, oh, those pink tones, I really wanted to stick with the pink shades in this palette for the look, so I had to use this, and this was like the only color that was gonna give me that look. So back in with the Luxie tapered blending brush and just softening things. Now we're going in with WTF, and I'm using this on a NYX blending brush. This is number 32. NYX brushes, if you are sleeping on them, you need to get some. They are so good. This one's nice and fluffy. Back in with the Luxie blending brush just to soften those edges once more. This is a layering and tedious process, but it's how you get that perfect look. Oh, look at that. Hiding it. This is a crown brush, just a wide crown brush, and I'm taking that first shade, 3 Sheets, and just highlighting and cleaning up the brow bone area. And now with the shade Bare, I'm taking a smaller flat shader brush, also from Crown. There's no number to this. I've had this set for a very long time, but I'm kind of applying this in a lazy man's half cut crease kind of way, if that makes sense. And then back in with the color shade and that flat shader brush from Luxie, and just applying that to the outer corner a little bit more. Now with my SL Miss Glam L34 brush, I'm just blending those edges. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know this is my favorite like clean blending brush. Now with the shade 180, I'm taking a Scone Smudger brush. Please ignore that black mark on my cheek. I will show you how I get rid of that in a few moments. But I'm just applying this to the lower lash line. Then I'm taking BACKTALK and shade together on this MAC pencil brush. This is, I should know the number to this, 239, 219, I don't remember. It's a MAC pencil brush. And then I'm taking a Sigma E25, just blending that out. And now with a dry and clean spoolie, we are removing that mascara mistake that I got on my cheek. And actually this one wasn't doing it for me, so I took a different spoolie and this one worked perfectly. Back in with that highlighter shade. If you don't remember, it is called Party Foul. And we're just highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner. And now I'm popping on these lashes. These lashes are by Coco Lashes. If you have not gotten a pair of them, they are so affordable. They work so well. These are in the style Demi G. I wasn't going to pick these up when I was at IMATS, but another customer that was in there was like, these are my go-tos, you have to get them. So I decided to get them. Now with the 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Alkaline by Urban Decay, I'm just applying this to the waterline to add that color, and I don't know, I just like the way it looked for this video, so that's what we're doing. And now I'm going in with the shade 0 in the Urban Decay pencil as well, and just putting that on the top lashes. Now with this Urban Decay lipstick in Backtalk, which was what this palette was based around. I love this color, so pretty. We're going to apply this to the lips, and I didn't have a lip pencil that matched that I liked, so we're just freehanding this. And normally I would do a lip pencil if I'm doing a classic bullet lipstick, but I didn't have one. And I'm surprised I have so many lip pencils. And I did have to clean up some mistakes, and you'll see that in a minute. But yeah, so I normally like to overdraw my lips, and I use a lip pencil for that, but since I didn't have one, it was a fail. As you can see, I'm cleaning up that lower lip with a Luxie 211 concealer brush. And back in with that highlighter shade, I'm taking a little on my finger and applying it to the center of the lips for that, I don't know, there's that pop. I don't know why I wanted to do that. It just looks so pretty afterwards too. That's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial using this gorgeous palette. And I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.